Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss the resources for all my single mamas out there. Now, I understand it is hard being a single mom, so I found some programs that will help with like home repairs, job placement, or even pay for you to go back to school, mama, because I need you to get your degree, okay? So if you want to know about these resources, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below when you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and pick up my ebook because you want to go ahead and get some of this YouTube money as well. Now, guys, for the first program, because I'm jumping right in it, right? I need y'all to go ahead and take advantage of these resources. We are headed to Mississippi, where they have the Employment Equity for Single Moms. Now, this project helps mothers in Mississippi find job resources as well as training to help them earn or get to a higher paying job, so that way they can offer, you know, their child more as they grow. Now, guys, not only do they pay for the job placement or training, they also go ahead and pay for your child care as well while you attend these programs. I mean, they want every mother to be able to earn a livable wage and become more financially secure. Now, you can actually go for these participants. It includes job training, education, child care, and transportation assistance as well. I'll leave the links down below. Next, we are headed to Texas and Arizona, where they have the Helping Hands for Single Moms, okay? Because we all need a helping hand or two. Now, the Helping Hands for Single Moms program, their mission is assisting low-income single mom families that help with post-secondary education or even financial independence, and they want to help you leave a family legacy. They understand that when a single mom actually enrolls in college, a lot of times the situation becomes worse before it becomes better, because, girl, you're trying to balance. You're in that juggling act, right? You're trying to go to school. You're still trying to support your family. You're trying to cook for the kids. So they understand that managing a household can be a bit difficult. So what they do is they help you with this by giving you resources as far as childcare assistance, but they also have where they will help you with like AAA, okay? Come on, like the car insurance. They also help with transportation. And then they have other programs like scholarships, assistance as well, auto repairs, emergency funds. So yeah, they will even help you get an emergency fund, a computer, a laptop. Sometimes, not all the times, but limited dental, medical, and eye care, but also haircuts or hair styling. Now, we ain't getting all, you know, you're not getting the bundles, mama, okay? But they'll help you get like cleaning supplies, budgeting classes, textbook classes, and then they also have a network where of single moms, they come together, they meet, and they also help you with like any legal issues that you may have as well. Now, these applications are thoroughly or extremely competitive. You will have to write an essay, and I'm gonna tell you right now, when it comes to that essay, you're going to have to go ahead and get that thing proofread, all right? Because you just can't submit just what you think, and you must have a child under the age of 11 to go ahead and apply for this program. But when it comes to that essay, you want proper spelling, grammar, all this before you submit it for consideration, and it is long, so you can't fill it out in one setting. Okay, just go ahead and give it to you. All right, so moving along, we're going to Arizona, where they have the Single Mom Scholars Program. Now, the Singles Mom Scholars Program is at Interfaith Community Service, and they want to break the cycle of poverty with a two-generational approach. So they give scholarships and wrap around services that empower single moms to earn a college degree simultaneously while working with their children to build like leadership skills, academic performance. Now, with this program as well, they also help with AAA membership, auto repair, laptop, life skills. Okay, can we say that again? Life skills, my darling. Mentoring, success coaching, personal development as well. Now, you must be a current single mom in college who is at least carrying at least 9 credit hours and maintaining a 2.5 GPA and below the 150 percentile as well. Now, you must reside in Pima County as well, have a child under the age of 11 as well. So we have that program. Now, also in Colorado, we have the Be the Gift program. Now, the Be the Gift, their goal is to ensure an environment for single moms and family, as well as enhance and improve the quality of life. They have two programs. One program is for like home assistance, meaning you have to have a home. And then the second program is a scholarship. Now, the home assistance program, you must already own your home. And I'm going to tell you now, they're going to come in and do a home assessment to see what you got, to see what you're working with. And then for the second program, which is the scholarship, they will cover your tuition for a certification or a degree, but you must volunteer for at least 10 hours. Now, all these programs that I'm giving to you today, they have applications open. Their application closes on April of 2022, so you can apply. Now, I have one more program. Now, I know I've been giving you programs for all these different states, and you're probably like, Shalae, you never find anything in Alabama, or you never find anything in Oklahoma. Girl, it is hard in these streets. These are the programs, but when I find something, that's why I am bringing it to you. So please, please, please don't charge it to my heart, because I am actually looking for programs that apply for everyone. But sometimes, you know, you just got to put out what you can find, right? Because it may help someone else. So don't think that I'm not looking, or I'm specifically, you know, not trying to find anything in your state. If you can't find nothing, then more than likely I haven't found anything. Now, this last program is a national program. It's the Women's Independence Scholarship Program, meaning it is everywhere, every state. Their primary goal is to provide assistance to women who are survivors of intimate partner abuse with education that leads to a living wage. And also, this program is known as WISP. It's available nationally for women who have left an abusive relationship or an abusive partnership, but now you are pursuing an education goal or providing some type of independence for yourself. And bravo, mama. Bravo, bravo, bravo if you got out there. Now, applications do open for this program in January. If you would like to know about this, you can go to the website, but they do have where they will assist with not only getting you back in school, but also finding you a place to stay at for you and your child. And they try to help you just get back your independence, okay? Not dependency, but your independence there. So I definitely, if you need this program, definitely click the link down below. But if you want programs that are just scholarship programs specifically for single moms, like you're trying to do it, you're trying to get back in school, or you're trying to find a new way, or you're trying to provide for your child, girl, I get it. I know, I got you. Let me know down below. I can do a video just for scholarships for single moms. But I thought this would be a great video to just provide some resources out there for these states as well. And I'll continue looking in other states as well, because I'm telling you guys, there's so much out there, but we just got to have the information to know what's going on. All right. So that's all I have. Let me know, what did you think about this video? Please like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and purchase my ebook. Let me know, are you a single mom? And if there's any other resources that you have been able to use, go ahead and share down in the comments below, because sharing is caring, and that's how we get one, guys. You know, we got to reach one, just one of us at a time. And that's all I got. Bye, guys.